In the previous video, we discussed pulleys and how to find their mechanical advantage. Now we are going to look at some examples of finding the mechanical advantage of several pulley systems. First, we have an effort force pointing down and the load on the opposite side of the pulley. The mechanical advantage of this system is 1, since there is only one strand holding the load. In our next example, we still have only one pulley. However, this time we have the effort force pointing up. Since the effort force points up, this counts as one strand. The other rope is attached to the ceiling, is also a strand. So this mechanical advantage is 2. Next, we have two pulleys that are suspended with an effort force pointing down. We will follow the pulley system from the effort force and count our strands. The effort force doesn't count as a strand since it doesn't point up. Going around the first pulley, we have one strand, and going around the second pulley, we have our second strand. Therefore, the mechanical advantage of this pulley system is also 2. Notice how that there are two different ways to create a pulley system with the mechanical advantage of 2. This is true for any mechanical advantage. Next up, we have an effort force pointing up. Since it is pointing up, that counts as one strand. Rounding the first pulley, we have our second strand, and rounding the pulley at the top, we have our third strand, and rounding the pulley in the middle, we have our fourth strand, suspending this pulley system. Therefore, the mechanical advantage of this system is 4. In our last example, we have the effort force pointing down on the left side, so this does not count as a strand. Rounding the top pulley, we have one strand. Going around the bottom pulley, we have our second strand. Next, rounding the second pulley from the top, we have our third strand. Rounding the second pulley from the bottom, we have our fourth strand. Finally, rounding the middle pulley, we have our fifth strand. Thus, the mechanical advantage of this pulley system is 5. In the next video, we will go through some other calculations with pulley systems.